Today, we're going to go on the Snorkeling and Stingray excursion in Grand Turk. This takes place at Gibbs Cay, which is an uninhabited island on the backside of Grand Turk. Very quick excursion to get to, and you will definitely enjoy it.
The first part is snorkeling. They take you to an area that it's not very deep, but you do have to swim. So totally recommend using the flippers they provide. They also provide snorkel gear, or you can get your own, and you do get life vests. You can inflate them on the go to give yourself more buoyancy, or deflate them if you want to dive under. There's lots of fish, and the water is very clear. It's a little choppy, but it's perfect temperature for snorkeling. The reef is full of lots of different colorful fish.
After the snorkeling, you get a quick little ride over to Gibbs Cay, where you get off the boat and jump onto the beach and just wade out into the shallow water. The stingrays come up to you. You see it now; they just kind of glide through the water. They come up to you and let you touch them and pet them. And the cool thing is, they're wild stingrays, so they're coming up to you on their own free will. They're very super friendly. We call them the little puppy dogs of the sea. If they did not want to come up to you, they wouldn't, and they definitely do.
They actually don't feed the stingrays to get them to come in. The stingrays choose to come in on their own. So that's pretty cool that they decide they want to be around people. The guide here told us that it was good luck to give the stingray a kiss. So we both did give the kisses so we could have good luck. They also hold them up behind you to do the stingray smile, they call it. So you get a picture with them smiling behind you. You'll see that later. At one point, I was stepping around and I lost my balance and stepped back and like kind of stepped on one very lightly. And it didn't try to like stick its thing in my leg or anything. It was just very cool about it. Swam off and didn't seem injured. I don't think I stepped on it that hard.
I suppose that's one of the reasons you should always do the stingray shuffle, right?
Yeah.
Scooping your feet along the bottom. But I've never heard of anybody ever being stung by these guys on these excursions. They're pretty safe. They're very friendly. Here you go. You can see where you're getting the, what do you call it?
The stingray smile.
Yeah, smile, where they're just hanging out behind you. Very, very cool. They're super friendly animals. They're soft, really soft, a lot softer than you would think they are.
Almost rubbery.
Yeah, I
We
would.
swam with them a bunch of times. I don't know, 2, 3, 4 times.
Yeah,
And never had any fear of them or anything. The barb is just kind of an afterthought. It's not really, they don't do it unless they totally feel
right.
threatened.
If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Also hit the bell so you can see our future videos coming up. We got lots of great content coming up that you surely don't want to miss. Thank you very much.